And they're on their way. The Gusto King draws for your lead. Is Starbucks. Pansy moving up by the rail. Awesome Ashley moving up on the outside. Is runner number 4, Don Martino and the Force about to pass the half-mile pole. Starbucks Pansy in command by about 3 lengths. Running in second, the Gusto King. Don Martino moving up on the outside, the Force in fourth, and Awesome Ashley as they race towards the last 450 is Starbucks Pansy maintaining a length and a half lead. Don Martino moving up on the outside, the Force in third as they swing for home is Starbucks Pansy still leading the field. Don Martino now on the outside and the Force, and down the stretch they come. Don Martino, the Force moving up on the outside, second Starbucks Pansy with 100 to go. Don Martino, the Force is on the outside. Don Martino winning this race over the Force is Starbucks Pansy, Awesome Ashley, and the Gusto King.
Okay, 4-3-1-2-5.